Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I decided to try something a little different. Recently, Pwnage had a blind box sale. You paid $50. Whatever they threw in there was in there. So I went and I paid the $50, and we're gonna see what we got today. They had a $10 one, they had a $50 one. It's the sale's over now, but it was guaranteed to give you at least what you paid for, but it could have gave you more. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. All right, let's go check it out. I don't know. Transition is gonna go one way. We'll figure it out. All right, so what I got in the $50 package, they sent me the Ultra Custom mouse. Reach into the box. And it looks like a colored shell. Now, I don't know if they looked at my order form and just know that I love baby blue. Right there. That's what they sent me. The baby blue honeycomb. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. We're going to switch to the other screen. And smells nice. Alright, so it looks like they sent me a wired version of it. All black. Super light. Comes with the paracord. Let's pull back a little bit. Maybe we're a little too close. Nice lightweight paracord. I'm going to be honest with you, this is kind of comparable to the Model O, to be honest with you, as far as weight goes. Let's see what else comes in the box. But here's the mouse. I like it so far, not bad. Let's see what else we get in the box. Sent you some grip tape. I have to try this out actually. It's right here. Okay, that's just the rest of the box. Comes in this little bag. Looks like an extra set of feet. Is that a weight? Are these weights? I think these are weights. Can you? Oh yeah, I guess if you want to weight it down, there's a spot. I don't know if we can zoom in on that or not. But there's a spot right here to put the weights, which is pretty cool. What do we got here? Looks like some different DPI switches. And like I said, an extra set of feet, which is always good. Not everyone gives you an extra set of feet. So that's pretty cool. We got the grippy grips. So it looks like you can swap out this back end here and this front with a white. Pretty good clicks. Okay. Alright, so that's what comes in the box. Put all this stuff to the side. And now we're going to look at the secondary. It's upside down. We're going to look at the secondary kit they sent me. I have not checked this out yet. Now this is supposed to be baby blue. Okay, so DPI button in baby blue. And looks to be honeycomb shell in baby blue. I'm going to assume this is going to be the solid shell in baby blue. Looks real nice. Okay, and then we got the top of baby blue. So I think we're going to, I kind of want to attempt to do this with you guys. Never used this mouse before, so we're not going to look at any instructions. We're just going to see how this goes. Okay, so looks like it just clips in. No, I can't just clip in. Where does this one clip in? See, it's got screws, but it said no tools required, so... Oh, there we go. Damn, that popped off real easy. Now you can see that spot I was telling you about with the weight. Right here, it says where you can put the weight. And does this just lift off too like that? Oh. Okay. Okay. So that whole thing just said, yep, nope, we're just going to pop off. And you pull this out, or how does that go? Let me see these real quick. Looks like it's just kind of pressed in right here. But I kind of want... Let's grab the white one. I think that'll look cool. I think we got to pull this off right here. Yep, just pops out. And we're going to go for the white one. Okay, and then we're going to go with the baby blue. The baby blue. Oh. So that just snapped right in. Real soft, easy, nice clicks. Maybe it'll loosen up a little bit within time of use. So we're going to have to figure that out. But yeah, that's it's kind of going to be it for this guy. Because I do like... Not many people like it, but I do like the honeycomb. I really do. The honeycomb to me... it doesn't bother me as far as, some other people do. Now the cord does feel kind of heavy. I wonder how that's going to play, because right now I use the G703 from Logitech, and the wireless is just great. So we'll see. I was kind of wishing they would have sent me a wireless one, because then it would have just been perfect. But what are you going to do? It was a blind box. So if I wind up liking it, I may or may not decide to purchase the wireless version. But, there you go. And there goes my phone going ding ding ding. Alright, so what's going to happen is now we're going to go, and I'm going to play this for a little bit, and then I'm going to come back, maybe get some footage of me playing with it to see how it goes, and we'll be back.